There is two things that's going to make your item sell a lot more on Etsy, and in this order they're very important. The first thing is your pictures. Your pictures have to be amazing, and you have to use as many of them as you can. And in Etsy you can only use 5 pictures, so make sure all those 5 pictures are the best that you can do. The next thing is the description. Make sure the description has as many keywords as possible. So let's take a look at this particular listing and see what's done right here and what's not. The keywords in it are pretty good. So as you can see, whoever is selling this particular item is posting the right keywords right at the start. So it says exactly what it is in the first 3 lines, which is very important. When somebody is reading this particular description, they want to know what they're buying. So the first 3 lines are telling them exactly what it is. Then there is additional keywords. So if somebody is looking for this particular item, they can find it much easier when they do a search for something similar on Etsy or on Google, which makes this item stand out. Now, here is the picture. When you are looking at this particular listing, you see this picture, you know exactly what you want and if you want to buy it or not. And this is exactly what you want to do. And here is the second picture of the same as exact item. Now, the only thing I would do different here, I would post 3 more pictures in here because there is more space here to post additional pictures as well. So they're only utilizing 2 pictures, but they should be utilizing all 5 of them. Let's go and look at more details about this item. As you can see with Etsy, you can't use fancy HTML tags or colorful descriptions like eBay. So what you have to do is to make sure your description is pretty good. And here they're using very good way with the spacing. So they said what it is at the first line. The next line, they're talking about what it actually does and how can you use it in many different ways and why you should buy it. And then we got the size, the materials, and there is a little bit more publicity for this particular item as well. So this is how you want to create your ad and how it is done right on Etsy.